Welcome back to YTM guys, this is Mahesh and you're watching Yellow Tech Mahesh. In this video, I'm gonna fully explain you about Microsoft Forms. If you are familiar with Google Forms, it will be similar to that with some more information with some stunning actions. Okay, let's start our video and see the full usage of how to create a Microsoft Forms. In this Microsoft Forms, there are two types, that means two models, that is forms and quizzes, and there are some lot of more options. If you are new to these forms, it's okay, or if you know about Google Forms, there will be many more features added to that. Okay, let's start our video. Okay, first open your browser and type www.office.com and click enter. It's loading. Now it will ask you for the Microsoft account. If you have an account, you can directly sign in with that, or you want to create one Microsoft account. As I have my account, I'm just clicking there. Just sign in with your details. And now it will open the site, that is office.com site. I don't know how many of you know this, that from this web we can use Microsoft Office, that is MS Office, for free from web. Okay, let it open now. It's opening. It's taking some time to load. Now click on the leftmost side on the dots, and here we search for that flow. As we don't found here, click on all apps, and here we click on the forms, that one, and now it will open that Microsoft Forms where we can build our forms. Just a moment. Yeah, it's open. Here there are two, that is new form and new quiz. As I have already told at the starting of the video, that is we can create forms and quiz. Now here first I will show how to create a new form. Click on that new form. Yeah, here is the place where we can build our form. This is where the title we can give. Just single click and give any title you want. Here I am giving anything, that is Yellow Tech Mahesh, and click on the description and give any description there. Simply a tech channel. Anything you want, don't concentrate on the thing, just concentrate how to build a form, that's it. Click on the add new to add new questions in this form. Here there are so many choices: choice, text, rating, date, like that. Here we can also add a new image. Click on the right side of that, yeah, there, click it, and here we can search from the web, or if you have image in OneDrive you can upload it, or you can directly upload from your PC. Here I am directly uploading from this computer, so I am clicking the upload there, and it will ask for the option to choose an image from already present in this computer. Yeah, I am giving this image. It takes some time to load. That's according to the your file size. Let it load. We simply add new questions what you want in this form. That image takes some time to load. Okay, just click on this add new to add new questions. Here I am choosing choice first. There are so many options here. We'll click on the choice there, and here we can give the question. Any question you want. I'm giving any question you want you can give. I'm giving here only just simple questions to understand. Okay. Any simple question. What do you represent this channel? Yeah, any simple question is this just a silly question. Maybe tech channel, non-tech, anything. I'm just giving something to notice this. That's it. How we are giving here. If you want to add, you can click their add option, and you can give the option. If you want to delete, there is a symbol there. You can click and delete. Simple. And these are options, and if that question must be answered, you can click on the required, so that the audience who are filling this must answer this. And I am just adding another question here. Now I am adding the text. First I added choice question, and here I am adding the text. I'm just giving a simple question. Do you like this channel? And if that question needs an answer for the long answer, you can click. That means you can check that long answer. Click there, or according to your usage, may be required or not required. No problem. And if you, I will add the next question. Add new. And now I will use this rating. Click, and the question, how do you rate this channel? And here there are stars. The level is 5. If you click, and you can also change the stars, number of stars. Here I am giving 9. See, there are 9 stars. I am back with 5, and you can use stars and numbers. You can click number and it will show numbers, or I am using stars only as I like them. And another question, date. When did you watch my first video? Guys, don't concentrate on the questions here. Just concentrate on this, how we are making a form, that's it. First video in the channel. Here, as we have used this date and time, there will be a date and time type of calendar there. You can use that calendar by giving the date. Another questions like this, we can use those. If you wanna delete, okay, let me just click on the ranking, and as usual, as I have shown you, and if you wanna delete anything, you can delete. These are all the questions. Click there to delete. Simple. How you delete. Okay, finally, these are the 4 questions we left here. If you want to copy, click there to copy. If there is any similar question to you want to add in the next, you can use those. Now we can add theme by clicking there. There are some solid colors and there are some background. I'm choosing that one. Simply the theme will be added. It's very simple. This is the form we built up to now. Now preview it. This is the computer version. As it is required, we have given that there is a required there. This is the build for, this is the form, and there is a submit button. You can also choose to mobile version also. Click there. Yeah, this is a mobile version. Nice, right? Back. Click. Yeah, now the image is formed, loaded clearly. Okay, click on the send. This is the link from which we can respond to this form. We can copy it and we can share it to others who want to fill this form. Click there and it will copy. As it is already copied. Okay, this is for the link, and click here, it will form the QR code. If you are making any PowerPoint presentations and if they want to fill from that, this is very useful and this is very important in this type of forms. I really very like this option, that is this forming the QR code. We can download it by clicking there option, and the next option is the code. If you copy this code there, and we can paste it in any of the HTML pages, that is web pages, and this form will be present there also. It's very simple, and click on the responses to know how many of the people responded. 0 responses for now, as it is not shared to anyone. Okay, there is a responses and average filling time there, and the status of the form, that is active or inactive. I really liked one more option here, that is open in Excel. If there are so many submissions, you can simply click there and it will open in the Excel. I also really liked this option, that QR code generator and this Excel. Click on the settings, and we can see this. Accept response means to know the status of the form, whether it is active or not, or we can make the status from a period that is active. Start, if you give here start date and end date, from that period it will be in active state. Okay, and the next option is shuffle. That means we can shuffle the questions. And the last but one is email notification. As we didn't give here, no problem, we will get an email, that's it. And the final one is customization of your message. Okay, let me click first. Customize your message, and here we can give the message what you want after the form filling and the submission button is over. This message will be shown there. That means your response was submitted. We can also change that and make thank you for submitting or anything you want. I'm just telling you how to use this. That's it. That's about this forms. I think I covered most of this in these forms, and we can go back for now, and let me just show you how to create a sample quiz. There will be a slight difference between this form and quiz, so just one question I will be explained there, how to create a quiz. I think you understand about this. Now I have to go back here, and I'll just show you not step-by-step procedure for this new quiz, as it is same for forms also. So can give here title and description and click here add new, and you can make anything like this. For example, click here choice, and I will show you one question, that's it. Maybe for example, okay, cow is a animal. Maybe true or false question. You can give here true and false. If you want to add options, you can click here, no problem. And maybe the correct answer, before asking a question we must know the correct answer, right, for this type of quizzes. So if you see here tick mark, click there. That means the responded persons who are taking the test, if you click on the true, that will be a correct answer, and maybe all other options will be false. As it is a quiz, there is that option that is true. That means tick mark for the correct answer, and according to your usage. I think you get some brief about these quizzes. Or we can also add, there are some forms already built in from as a templates. If you click here, and we can use that template directly, just changing the main heading and maybe questions like this. I think I have covered all in this Microsoft Forms, how to build it from the scratch. So this video gonna end now. If you like this video on this Microsoft Forms, please like this, and also if you feel something informative and good content on this type of video, please share it with your friends and some others, so they can also get informative on this. And if you want to get more on this type of videos, make sure you subscribe our channel so that you can get each and every update from this channel. Thanks for watching this video, guys.